everyone, in this video I just want to show you how to cap off a sprinkler head. This is a sprinkler head here. I am going to, or I'm working on an area here that we're going to be pouring concrete, and this sprinkler head is going to get covered. So before it's too late, before any machinery actually cuts it off and becomes a huge leak, and then worst of all, concrete is going to be poured on top of this, and you're not going to be able to get access to here unless you bust the concrete. Before any of that nightmare happens, I recommend go ahead and dig it up and cap it off. Purchase this regular cap for this 1/2 inch sprinkler head at Home Depot for about 90 cents, and you can get that from any local hardware store, or I'm gonna put a link in the description if you want to buy it from online from Amazon. So to replace this, all you do is just unscrew this. It's this 1/2 inch female on that at the bottom of that sprinkler head, and just screw in this cap, and then just use a plier and tighten it. Okay, it's hard to do this with one hand. Here is another sprinkler head that I'm going to cap off. This is slightly different. It's a rotary sprinkler head, and it's using a 3/4 male connector at the bottom there. But the process is the same. Instead of using the 1/2 inch, we're just going to use the 3/4, just slightly bigger, and just screw it in. So this, a lot of people ask whether this affects the pressure. It doesn't. Obviously this will actually improve the pressure because you're usually eliminating one head, which means that you have one less sprayer, and the other sprayer pressure should improve because of that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.